Hey people, so I'm back, and it's like there is this, you know, like I watch a lot of Netflix like in the evening and all. So there's this Gwyneth Paltrow series called Goop, Goop, and it's on Netflix, and you all should check it out, people. It's like it has just these seven episodes, or seven or eight, I think, and it's just about these different healing methods, like from across the world. That it's called the Goop Lab. I mean, Gwyneth Paltrow has started this whole company called Goop, and I think yeah, they are in. It's a fashion magazine, I guess, and also they do this. I mean, this is like a research series almost, but you all should check it out. It's called Goop, and it's about like right from in like these seven episodes cover these different healing methods, that range from some people try psychedelic drugs called mushrooms. So, there's a group of people from Goop who go there to see firsthand what it's about. And then the final episode is about, they call a psychic healer and a medium who's able to connect uh, with the other side. So, I've only read about this, so to see it first time on screen was fascinating. So, people, just check it out. It's called Goop, and it's on Netflix. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.